Hello, viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today, I will discuss the topic what is the Internet of Things? Definition: the Internet of Things refer to the network of connected devices from smartphones to smart homes and beyond that can communicate with each other and exchange data. Some examples of Internet of Things devices: smart thermostats like Nest that can be controlled by mobile devices, fitness wearable like Fitbit that track physical activity and sleep, smart homes assistants like Amazon Echo that respond to voice commands. How does Internet of Things work? Internet of Things connects everyday devices such as phones, cars, appliances, and sensors to the internet to share data and perform automated actions. Benefits of Internet of Things. Internet of Things connects smart devices to the internet, allowing for real-time data collection and analysis. This leads to better decision making and efficiency. Concerns regarding Internet of Things brings convenience, but it also poses security risks, data privacy concerns, and potential for misuse of personal information. Stay informed and aware. Some applications to include in Internet of Things, smart homes. Internet of Things devices in homes can control lighting, heating, and security systems. Healthcare. Internet of Things is used for remote monitoring of patients and managing healthcare resources efficiently. Transportation. Internet of Things enables real-time tracking of vehicles, optimizing routes, and ensuring vehicle safety. Smart cities. Internet of Things technologies can improve urban services, reduce energy consumption, and enhance overall equality of life for citizens. Industrial Internet of Things in manufacturing. Internet of Things devices optimize production, monitor equipment health, and predict maintenance needs. Challenges and considerations. Security. Internet of Things devices are vulnerable to hacking, raising concerns about data privacy and security breaches. Interoperability, ensuring seamless communication between different Internet of Things devices and platform is a challenge. Scalability, as the number of connected devices increases, managing and scaling Internet of Things networks become complex. Privacy, Internet of Things devices often collect sensitive data, necessitating strong privacy regulations and practices. Thank you for joining me on this journey of exploring the Internet of Things. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.